I'm so out of breath. What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. HillaryAlex here. If you're new, if you're returning, thank you so much for watching. Today's video is going to be the long-awaited nursery tour. I'm so excited to share this with you guys. I've been working on it since last Saturday when we moved in. And if you are new here, we are pregnant with our first baby girl. She's due January 15th. Her name is Indy Rain, and I feel like the vibe that I was going for when I was setting up this nursery was like a boho vibe, and I feel like I accomplished that. I don't really like too much clutter, and there still is a few more things that needs to be done in here. Like our glider is not going to be delivered for a few more weeks, probably not until after she's born. So I need to get the glider in here, which is going to go currently where the bassinet is set up. I need a little side table next to the glider, maybe some bookshelves, and possibly a rug. But other than those things, I feel like it's pretty much complete. All her clothes are washed, everything's put away, everything's organized. The closet's not too organized. There's still some work to be done in there, but I can't breathe. But other than that, I have been working and nesting super hard to get this settled in the way that it is right now. So I'm really excited to share my progress with you guys and show you what I've been working on. I'm gonna go through and just show you each little area of her room. I'll go through and show you how I organized her drawers and everything like that. So I don't want to make this intro super long. I want to get right into this. So thank you guys so much for watching, and let's get into it. And then this little boho sign is something that Matt's niece actually got for me. It says, "Quiet please, baby is dreaming." I showed it in my apartment tour. I think it's so sweet. Okay, so this is the entrance to her door, and this is what you see when you first walk in, is the dresser right here on this wall, and then her lamp, some shelves, her little hamper, and then she has a window right here that looks out to the golf course. She has her little activity gym. This corner is the corner I was talking about where the glider is actually going to go in replacement of the bassinet. Obviously we're going to move that into our room. So this is that little corner and what that looks like, and then it has her toys over here to the left, and then I put her books just down there for now until we get some bookshelves, and then I hung her name sign right above her crib. Her crib's right there, and then we just have her stroller and her car seat in here for now until we move it down into the garage and put the car seat obviously in our car. And then her closet is right here. It's just a mirrored closet. So this dresser is actually the Hemmens, I believe it's called, dresser from IKEA. It's kind of a pain in the ass to put together. It took Matt and his brother like probably 2 hours to put together, but I think it looks really nice. For an IKEA dresser, the only thing that I did do was change out the knobs. The knobs just came with like generic black ones, and I bought these ones off of Wayfair, and they're just a little bit more boho than the ones that it came with, and more feminine and girly. And then we have the Ubby, I believe it's called, trash pail for her diapers. And then on top of her dresser, I have the peanut changer. So I like this material because it's like silicone and it's super easy to wipe down, and you don't really have to worry about like cleaning a cloth one or washing it all the time. This little dispenser next to it, I actually got at Home Goods for hand sanitizer. So I have a big thing of hand sanitizer that I'm going to fill that up with. Next to that is just a wipes holder. It's not a wipes warmer, it's just a little thing to hold the wipes in. And then next to that we have her little hair brushes. I think those are super cute. My friend Juliana got them for me. And then the basket to the right of that, I'm actually going to fill up with diapers. I just don't have any newborn diapers right now to put in there. But I'm going to stock up that little caddy with some diapers. That way it's like super accessible and I don't have to go digging around for them. And then that little sloth is, I believe, a little rattle. I just think he's cute. And then we have her Hatch sound machine and a Himalayan salt lamp. And then this is actually a dimmable light. I'm gonna end up moving and putting next to the glider and the little side table that I get. This mirror right above her changer I got from IKEA. It's pretty big and it's a nice size. I didn't want like an awkward size one hanging above. And I feel like it's cute for when she's a little bit older, she can sit up and look at herself. So these floating shelves Matt actually made for me, so I think they are so beautiful. They turned out so nice, and all the decor that I put on top of them is just kind of random and from all over. I put one of my favorite books that we got from his brother, which is called Indie Surfs, which I thought was so ironic because it's a girl, her name's Indy, and it's about surfing. So of course that had to go up there. It has a little pair of shoes next to the sloth and just some plants. I think I got the plants from HomeGoods, and the little sloth guy that came with the little one that's on the dresser is from Target. Her shoes are from Piper and Finn. And then the little toy up on the second one is something we got from the baby shower. That little hand-woven basket is from HomeGoods. The picture frame up at the top is from Target, and I just put one of her ultrasound photos in there. Okay, as far as drawer organization, I got these from Amazon. I believe they came in a pack of 4, I want to say. And I just got these ones for the top drawers because I figured it would hold the little items better than the other organizers I got, which I'll show you as we get further down. But I just put her bows, and I think it's her bows, her beanies, and then her tiny little bows are in here, and then I have all her bibs right here. So I have the regular bibs, and then I have the triangle ones all folded up right here. Then in the second drawer, I just put all her socks and mittens in this one. I have all of her binkies and like teether toys in here, which are all sanitized and ready to go. Back here, I just have like all of her butt paste and like baby oil, the nose Frida. I think these are baby essential oils, like all of the little like medicine things, I guess, and lotions are all in here. And then in here I'm just gonna fill with diapers, whatever current size that I'm using. So I'm gonna fill this up with newborn diapers, but like I said, I haven't gotten them yet. I thought it would be easier to put it on the right side because I am right-handed. I figured it would be easy to be changing her up here, reach down and grab her diapers in this drawer. So in here I just have it all filled up with her wipes, and that way that's super easy and accessible as well. As far as clothing, I don't really have too much like organization going on. I think this side is all newborn, just short sleeve onesies. This middle one is all zip up or button up sleepers, and the front goes from newborn, 3 months, 3 to 6, 9 and up. On the right, I think these are all long sleeve onesies, and then again I just organize them by size. And folding newborn clothes is not it. Over here I just have her little pants folded, and I organize these by size as well, starting from newborn and ascending up. So in the middle I have all of her swaddles, and I think her car seat cover and stuff is washed and folded in here as well. And then on the right are her sleep sacks. So down on the bottom I have all of her towels, and I believe these are all towels. Those are just washcloths and a blanket back there. The organizers I didn't mention before, I also ordered those off of Amazon. So they're extendable, you can actually just pull them out and click them down to fit your drawer. So in this one on the left I have all of her burp cloths, and then in the middle I have all the receiving blankets, and then I think on the right are just more receiving blankets as well. lamp I ordered off of Wayfair. I think it's super cute and fits this space really well. It doesn't really give off too much light. I don't know if it's the light bulb I'm using or if it's just the lamp itself, but a weird thing about this room and the guest bedroom and all the apartments is they don't come with ceiling fans or any lighting in them. So this is solely the only light that we have going in here. And then next to that, I just have her little wicker hamper that I got at IKEA as well. And then on top of that is just my fawn design diaper bag. It has nothing in it. I still need to pack that and my hospital bag as well. So the curtains I got for her room are from IKEA as well. The curtains and the curtain rod. And then the lights hanging on there are from HomeGoods, I think, or maybe Marshall's. I can try to get a better shot for you guys, but with the lighting in the background, it's kind of making them way too bright. I did want something light for sleep training reasons, or whenever she does end up transitioning into her room, I want her to see the difference between light and dark so she knows when it's daylight and she knows when it's dark out. Okay, and then right here in the middle of her curtains, I just set up her little activity yard with a little fur rug underneath. I've had that fur rug for a while. I just ended up washing it and putting it in here. That's from HomeGoods. And then the little activity thing I believe is from Amazon. I can try to find the link and link it in the description box for you guys, but I think it's super cute. And then this corner is currently just housing her halo bassinet. Like I said, we're going to end up transitioning this into the bedroom and putting the glider in this spot once it gets here, which we're having delivered from Bye Bye Baby, but it's being custom made, so it is taking quite a bit of time. And then to the left, I just have her little basket full of her toys, and then to the right of that are all of her books. And in the bassinet, I just have her boppy pillow sitting in there right now. Obviously, that's not going to stay in there. That's going to be used for breastfeeding, so I'll put that probably on the glider once that gets here. And then all the dream catchers hanging above, I feel like just really make that space like super boho, feminine, and really cute. I think Matt's mom made all of those dream catchers for my baby shower, and she ended up giving them to me to actually put in the nursery. So I think that's super sweet that not only do they look adorable, but Matt's mom made them, so she has something from grandma in here. So this is her crib, which I absolutely love. This is a baby Leto crib. I think the wood and the white is super boho and goes with the theme really well in here. That blanket hanging off, the floral one, I believe my sister got for me from the baby shower. The two pillows in there just for decor. Obviously, when we transition her in here, she's not going to have anything in the crib but herself. That pink blanket is actually mine. That's coming with me to the hospital. And then that bear her Auntie Mallory got for her. And then we just have the lollipop baby monitor over here to the left of the crib. And that's the baby monitor that we're actually going to be using. And obviously we'll move that to the bassinet whenever she's in there. And then the crib mattress that's in her crib is actually a Newton baby mattress, which I absolutely love and I'm super obsessed with because being a first-time mom, I'm scared of absolutely everything. So this mattress in particular is breathable, so even if the baby happens to turn over in their sleep and is face down on the mattress, it's completely breathable. So that's her crib setup, and then right above her crib is her name sign, Indie Rain. Matt made that for her for the baby shower, and I obviously kept it and wanted it for her nursery. So I think again that it's super special that her dad made that for her along with the shelving in her room. It's something that she can keep for a super long time. So like I said earlier, her car seat and stroller are just in her room for right now. I don't want to put it down in the garage because I feel like it might get dusty and dirty, so we're just keeping it up here for now. I think we're going to be installing the base to the car seat, and we have an extra base for his car. We're going to be installing both of those probably next weekend. And then this is her closet. So it's pretty big, pretty spacious. Like I said, it's not very organized on the inside. I will show you guys what it looks like right now, and I'll just kind of keep up with progress and show you what it looks like later once it's all organized, but for right now, stuff's kind of just everywhere. So this is currently what's going on in here and what it looks like right now. Matt just had a diaper party yesterday, so he ended up getting all these diapers right here. He still has more in his truck that he hasn't unloaded right now. And then behind that, I think, is the Love Everly play gym that I haven't assembled or put up anywhere yet. I'm gonna wait until she's born and she can do tummy time, but I heard nothing but great things about that mat, so I'm excited to use it. And then all of this stuff in these boxes, that's all of my breastfeeding things and essentials that I'm gonna need, that I'm gonna keep in this basket as like a little caddy. So I have my breast pump and stuff in there, which I'll show you guys in a different video once I get it all set up. And then the box underneath is actually all of my hospital bag stuff that I need to pack. And then up here we have more diapers. This is what we're working with on this side. I have all of her stuff that I wanted hung up. I need to grab some more hangers because these are all the hangers that I have. And I'm currently out, so this is just like all of her jackets, little bathing suits, shirts and stuff that I didn't want to fold and have in the dresser because they're a little nicer. Underneath that I have my hospital bag that I'm going to put everything in. And then right underneath that hospital bag is just the pack and play in the box right now. The blue bag next to that is some returns that I need to do from the baby shower. And then that little white thing right here is just the part to the crib. It's actually a 3-in-1. So this transitions into a toddler bed once they're big enough, and this is the extra part for the bed. So that crib's a little bit pricey, but it's worth it in my opinion because you don't have to go out and buy a new bed once they're big enough. And then up here we just have more random stuff. I have her humidifier, my breast pump box, another sound machine, her trash bags, some pumping stuff up above that. In that basket I think is just a bunch of like manuals from stuff that I've opened already. And then in the middle is all her shoes. And then I have like a little aromatherapy thing up here as well, her baby mirror for the car, and some extra wipes that we got. On this wall before you walk out the door, I have her Welcome Baby Indy sign. This was something that Matt's mom did for the baby shower. Everybody that walked in put their fingerprint on this little painting and signed their name on it. This was literally the cutest idea I've ever seen in my entire life. So I have everyone in here that loves her so much, and she'll get to keep this forever. Hey guys, that is it for this nursery tour. I really hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. I've been super excited to share this with you guys. I sometimes come in here and just stand in here, look around. Can't wait to have her here. Having this all set up just makes everything that much more real that she's gonna be here in like 5 weeks. So I will continue to share with you guys all the little updates that happen with her room. Once we get the glider and more things settled in here, I will continue to share that progress. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.